welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. I'm here today with a guide for you, and this guide is on how to run a slot pull. There are more and more Facebook groups coming up every single day, and Tig Old Bitty, she wrote me and she said, we got a cruise coming up and there's no slot pull. Will you help me run a slot pull? I am a man of great efficiency. Personally, I hate slot pulls because I'll put that amount of money that everybody puts through the slot machine, through the slot machine, myself. The idea of a slot pull is that you take a large amount of money, you run it through a slot machine, and you eventually hit something. But it's not your money, you pull the money. Pool the money. And you may say, hey, why do you want to run a slot pull? Well, because if you run the slot pull, you get to put your card in the machine and get the points yourself. You are also the one in charge of the logistics of collecting the money and paying people back for the money. So let's talk logistics. What are you going to need? You're going to need a notebook. You're going to need a pen, which Trish can't get. Nope. Nope. You should have done it before we started recording. You're going to have to use blood now.
Oh, God.
I will give you a knife, and you'll use blood in this notebook. You need a notebook. Write down names and cabin numbers, okay? And how many times they're buying in. We were just talking in the elevator. She goes, what if someone wants to buy in 10 times? I go, more points for you. Let them buy in, okay? Bob 1, Bob 2, Bob 3, Bob 4, Bob 5. Okay. You also need a collecting money bag and clean money. What do I mean by that? We're doing a $20 slot pull, right?
Yep.
To do a $20 slot pull, we're going to collect $20 from probably 50 people. Start doing the math there. Wait, 20 times 50 was $1,000. Do I really want to feed a whole bunch of $20 bills into a machine?
Nope.
No. So, you got this bag, you put your 20s in there, and I got a bunch of hundreds in the other pocket. So every 100 I get in, I'm going to hand her. The money man does not play. That is very, very important. Sometimes people try and run this and play and herd cats and get the money out and everything like that.
Too much.
The money man is in charge of money in, money out. Explains the rules, everything like that. Also, the money man, you want to pre-get a bunch of change. The longer you have to herd cats at the end, the more chance you're going to have to chase someone down for money to give them money.
Yeah.
No. As soon as the slot pull's done, if let's say everyone puts in 20, everybody gets out 20, I'll give everyone their $20 back, right? Yeah. And then we're even. And then if there's extra on top, I'm saying if we've made money, I'll have to get change for the extra. But I can, with this stack of fives, give everyone their $20 back.
Yep.
Also, you want to pick a very easy machine. Something easy for people to find, something without a lot of space, without a lot of other machines around it, a lot of space so people can gather because they're just going to chant,
yeah.
And you want something with a very, very obvious jackpot. Wheel of Fortune. 3 icons come, it runs the bonus feature. 3 icons and a gold spin come, it runs the gold spin bonus feature. It's very, very simple.
Okay.
All machines have the same odds. Also, we're going to give people a choice. For $20, they can either spend twice at $10 or 4 times at $5. Everyone's getting the same payout in the end. It's just, do you feel lucky, punk? Do you feel lucky? That's the goal. $20 in, more than $20 out. But the whole goal of this is so the person with the card gets the points. Now, the person with the card has another problem, though. The person with the card faces the taxes if there's a jackpot. So you're going to make it very clear that if a jackpot is 1, it is a 15% goes to the person who claims the taxes, which is going to be the card owner. Sometimes it gets a little nasty. Sometimes it's the person who spins, then that person. The 15% comes out of the pot if a jackpot's 1. If a jackpot's not 1, the money is split evenly to a point. Let's say everybody gets $20, $25.25 back, right? You're going to get $25 out of the $5 pocket. That 25 cents is going to get pooled together and given as a tip to the casino staff. Okay? I'm not dealing in fucking change.
Yep.
All right? That quarter, I'll give you singles, no problem. Strippers have a life too. But that's the important thing. So we are going. We got to take our notebook. That's the first clue. Trish got a pen, so notebook, pen, or clipboard works as well. Money bag. This is take the money coming in. Change pocket. I don't want to stand around there forever. We are doing this at 10:30 in the morning on the first C day, the second C day. It is an hour back, which is useful. Gets people a little more rested. Mm-hmm. And we are looking for degenerates. Why? The people who want to go on a shore excursion are at the shore excursions talk right now. The people who want to go to brunch are there right now. But we're catching degenerates between breakfast and lunch. We're catching the old people. Sorry, old people. love you. Between when they're finishing Let It Ride and starting C-Day brunch. So 10:30 is the magic time. It is 10:15 right now. We're going to get down there. They really don't like cameras being used in the casino. So I'm going to be on the glasses for the rest of the time.
Yep.
So I'm going to talk you through on the glasses. It's going to be some up and down video, but I mean, they're not going to know the glasses or cameras.
Yep.
That's the important thing. Again, casino, I don't want to get banned from you. I'm not showing tables. I'm not showing how to win the games or anything like that. I'm just showing how to organize a slot pool. Casinos like the slot pool. Why? Because it gets gamblers in who wouldn't otherwise gamble.
Yep.
So also, one last thing you want to do. You need a way for people to find you. Make your Facebook group or whatever. Send a picture of the machine you're going to be at, but then also wear stupid captain's hats. So remember, Money Man, right here. I'm the money man. I'm the money man. You are the bookie. And guess what? The casino always wins in a slot pool. So they're more than willing to accommodate. Yes, we'd like an extra $1,000 in suckers' money run through our machines. But I like Wheel of Fortune, you're going to see, because the chances of a jackpot, if it comes, meaning something over $1,200, pretty much anything you're going to hit is going to be under $1,200, unless you hit something big. If you hit something big and nice, you don't really fucking care. You know, that's the reality.
Yep.
Usually slot pools break even or lose money. Very rarely do they make money, but they get people excited. We're going to get them jazzed. But again, we'll close it up. We'll explain to you how many people and stuff came afterwards, because we're going to have the notebook.
The magic notebook.
But the clips you're about to see are going to come from my eyes in the sky. So we will see you in the casino from these glasses and let you know what's going on with the slot pool. We'll see you after to wrap it up. How to run your own slot pool. What are you doing? It's going to ask you to spin the wheel. So you can press right there, and then you look up, 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 up. Whatever that pointer lands on. See, all three can turn on if you do the $10 spin. That's the difference. I'm saying all three can do. Just telling you the difference.
Let's go.
Ah! Hey, that brought us back above even. So hey, I'm not angry there. All right.
Nice job.
You doing the 10 or the 5s? 10. The 10s. So just hit the 10 once, and then you can hit the respin again. Actually, wait for it to pay out. Okay, now hit the 10 once. Okay, and then you'll hit respin once after it goes. Come on!
Come on, come on.
No. There's it, respin. That's it. Come on! No.
Okay,
All right. Nikki.
Yeah.
You doing 2 10s? Oh, do we got it? No. Hit respin 3 times.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Got it on the diagonal.
Here we go.
There you go. Hey, you made double the money you spend.
That's right.
Come on, come on.
Got one more after this, I think. Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Yeah! Yes and no. See, here's the problem. It's a regular payout because we weren't playing the $10. It sounded no. You got one more anyway. See, that's the magic of the $10. The $10 gets you that gold spin.
Okay.
It doesn't. It's a completely different game. Don't feel bad.
Patsy.
Patsy.
Yes. 5s or 10s?
You do the 10. So hit the 10 once, and then you'll spin it again after. See, now that one's gold spin after. There we go. Come on. No.
One more. Come on.
Oh.
And me.
You? Okay.
Yep, I bought it.
You bought in. I know.
Dave.
Come on, Dave. One more.
One more. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, come on. No.
Bobby.
You're doing 10s, Bobby. Come on. The 7 helps. There we go. We got our money back there.
And
All right. Katrina. What are you doing? 5s or 10s?
Let's go, Patrice.
10s. All right. Just 2 hits on the spin button then.
Come on, Katrina. Let's do it. Come on.
Come on. On the day. Oh. There we go.
One more.
You only lost $8 on that spin. Welcome to the casino map. I hate casino map. Sherry, baby.
Sherry, baby. Come on.
Come on, there we go. Up here.
Yes. Come on.
No! It clicked down at the end. I hate these machines. Come on. Right there. Yeah! All right. But you still got something. You can still get jackpot. Spin it! Here we go! Here we go! Big money! The same 65 we got before.
So we got Robert.
That's my husband, and he's over there.
Okay, then you are now Robert. Hold on. You gotta wait for the stupid thing to finish. You gotta pay it out. There we go. All right, here we go.
Ready? He's playing Tammy too.
Come on.
Come on.
Thought we were gonna get again. Come on. What's that? Right there, right there, right there. Yeah! Go spin! All right, so now you got 2 spins that are gonna happen. The first one's gonna determine how many pointers you get.
Okay.
So so you're gonna spin that. That's just down there. You have to hit that. There you go. So that one first, and then it's gonna move up to there.
Also possible. Come on,
Okay, so it's 2 times. No, it's 2 times on 2 spinners. So it's gonna double the 2 spinners. This is the benefit of it. So watch, you can see the yellow's gonna pop up and the blue's gonna pop up. So we get both of those.
Okay.
At 2 times. So you get both of those at 2 times.
Alright, let's go.
Spin the wheel. There we go. So 2 times on where blue lands and where yellow lands.
Come on, come on, come on. Jackpot. Jackpot.
Jackpot will be nice. Okay, but times 2.
Okay.
There you go.
$280. We're up.
Woo!
We're up. That's all I'm gonna say. I think the math says we're up.
Rhonda.
Where's Rhonda?
That's big money. Woo!
We only put in 300 and change. We're at 500 now.
Wow.
Look at that. We're up. Woo!
I'm going to do the 10.
You're gonna do the 10. So you're already there. So just hit that spin twice.
One more.
One more.
Come on, come on, come on. Woo!
No more entrance once you're up.
Yeah.
No more. No one else can join once we're up.
And this is it.
That's it.
21 people.
Oh, come on, Wheel for John! No. You only lost $1. Come on. 1.
3. Come on, Bill.
Come on, 2. No.
One more.
One more. Making the math hard at 496. 501. Okay. What do we put in?
What was
I'm
You
gonna.
got 21 people.
21 people. Yeah. 501 divided by 21. Hey. We each made $3. We each made $3. I'm gonna come by just in the order you spun. I have some change already. Everybody made $3. Hey, $3 is $3. I have change to a point, so you call them up first. I'm gonna. Anita. You can check me. It should be $23. There's a little bit of change that's going to the casino staff.
Roger.
Let's go. There it's like 20, 23. Oh, another one? Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Dana.
Dana. 1, 2, 4. Let me get you 3 from the other side.
Andy.
Andy. Everybody won $3. You could say you beat the casino today. You know what you do when you beat the casino? You don't come back in for the rest of the day.
Oh, yeah. That's not happening. Thanks, you guys. This was a lot of fun.
1, 2,
That was my first time
3.
doing it.
All right, perfect.
And we got Darlene.
Darlene. Okay, hold on. I gotta get a 20 out. Money Man's. I gotta get the 20 out. Me and you will square up later. Okay, so that's, and then 1, 2, 3. I only had 3 $5 bills.
Thank you.
Okay, Kelly.
So there's your 3. And then I have a 20 in here. This is. All right, so we played through what was in like $360, left with 501. Everyone made $3. That's good for a slot pull. That's kind of rare for a slot pull. So yeah, that worked out pretty well for us. All right, so we just finished the slot pull. I will tell you, I had the exact right amount of change.
That was crazy.
I had, I don't know how. I had $500 in change. Remember, I broke those $5 bills. Had $500 in change. Trish made about 25 or 30 slot points. I mean, realistically,
Yeah.
I'm telling
Not
people.
very much, yeah.
No, uncarnable, 25 or 30 slot points because you get 1 point per every 250 in on the slot machine.
Okay.
We ran through like $360. $380 because someone
Oh,
entered
yeah,
late.
yeah, the late, yeah.
$380 was put in the machine. $501 was taken out. I gave everybody back $23. Important for the math. I'm going to put that other money away. I gave everybody back $23. There was some change. It was like $23.80 each. I'm not paying people 80 cents. So that was $18. That right here, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to give to the casino cash desk as a tip. That's what keeps you being able to do these slot pulls, stuff like that. Let's be honest with you. This is drinking money for the casino workers tonight.
Yep.
That's what's going on. This is gonna buy 18. I actually know, probably about. This is gonna buy 16 beers
Nice.
down in the crew bar. Now, if you want their draft beer, Thirsty Frog
Yeah,
Red, 16 Thirsty Frog Reds.
There you go.
Down in the crew bar, and that includes
Hey.
gratuity.
And all that
Because the
stuff.
beer, when I was last on a carnival ship in the crew area, Thirsty Frog Red was a quarter.
Oh, really?
This was I was on maybe 14 years ago or so.
Gotcha.
Thirsty
So
Frog
that's
Red.
probably like,
No, it's $1 now. I confirmed.
$1? Yeah.
I literally confirmed last cruise. It's $1 plus 18% gratuity.
they get charged gratuity.
They do.
That's lame.
The cruise lines don't want to pay their employees.
I know.
I mean,
yeah, I know.
welcome to the jungle.
Joe Biden's America.
But yeah, so you saw some clips from here. I'm going to give you one last clip at the end of us because I like to leave clean. But this is Trish. You've done slot pulls before, right?
Yep.
Has anybody ever been paid out this fast in a slot
No,
pull?
I think we would just, it
No,
usually
you have to
takes
sit
forever.
around and wait
Yep.
for the change.
Yeah.
So get your change beforehand, even if you have to cap it at a certain number of people. And remember, here's the other important thing. We did have a late entrant join us.
Yep.
Once you are, oh God, I fell into the trash art, I'm sorry. Once you are up, you cannot have any new entrants.
Okay, there you go.
We had a new entrant when we were down.
Yep.
Once we hit not a jackpot, but once we hit something that put us positive,
Yep.
it wouldn't be fair to have a new entrant.
Yep.
So you can have a new entrant while you're down if you're spinning, but as soon as you're above what you put in the machine,
Then cap it.
right, I'm saying if someone wants to come and you're below what you put in the machine, your chances of going above
Yeah, or better.
are better.
Yep.
But once you're above,
There's no point.
we wrapped that whole thing up in less than a half an hour.
That's awesome.
I mean, we're just bullshitting right now. Technical.
Yeah.
We did it in under 20 minutes.
That's
Close
crazy.
to 15 minutes.
Yeah,
to be honest
we've
with you.
been like forever waiting for shit.
No. That's why I
Before,
do this
yeah.
logistically. This is the best way to run a slot pull. After I close this off, you're going to see me drop these via my glasses. This is Richard and Trish from No Pants Profits, reminding you that when you pull a slot and you're unprepared, you don't watch this damn video. What's the other thing I left to lose?
Your shirt.
Have a great one.
Bye.
Any questions, put them in the comments below. If you have, we'll say bye. If you have any private questions you want to ask, this is one of those where you might not want to ask it out loud.
Yep.
NoPantsProfits@gmail.com or Richard at NoPantsProfits.com. I'm going to go drop these 18 bucks, figure out the best place to put them. See you around. So now we're at the cash change with our $18. I'm going to figure out where we can put it so they drink it tonight. That's the goal here.